Optical Network Video Technologies Shenzhen Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of security transmission equipment in China. As a high-tech enterprise, ONV specializes in product research, R&D, manufacturing, sales and technical support of PoE products and optical telecommunication products. ONV has passed ISO 9001-2015. Our products have obtained CE, FCC, and Accord ROS standard. Network products have got access license issued by MIIT. ONV has total office area which is more than 5,000 square meters, for lines of producing such as SMT lines, assembling lines, aging testing lines, wave soldering lines, and packing lines. Our strict inspection process and adequate inventory ensures we support reliable products and fast market response service to our customers. We support OEM and ODM orders. ONV has achieved the transformation from video transmission products manufacturer to security communication system solution supplier. ONV PoE products and optical transmission products have been widely used in the security system like emergency command system, production safety management system, environmental and meteorological monitoring system, anti-terrorism emergency system, special occasions integrated monitoring system, public traffic safety system, city integrated monitoring system, fire linkage system, and digital city system.